Good evening, children, and welcome to Sock Puppet Theater. Here on Sock Puppet Theater, we like to teach you good morals and values that you can take with you for the rest of your life. Today, we'll be talking about fetal alcohol syndrome and how it can seriously affect your baby. To talk about this, we'll be going and viewing our friend Karen. Why don't we see what she's up to right now? Oh my god, this party is so much fun! Who wants to party with Karen? Oh my god, I just smoked the wrong end of a cigarette 5 minutes ago, oh my god!
Hey baby, what's up?
Oh my god, who are you?
The name's Scott. How are you?
Oh my god, you're so cute.
I know. Everyone tells me that. Karen was instantly in love with Scott and all the wonderful words he says. Oh, I just threw up in my mouth a bit.
Oh my god, that's so hot. I even love how your hair just fell off.
I know, baby. Karen was so in love with Scott, they decided to complete the act of mating.
Oh my god, I love you. Do you have a condom?
Nope, don't need this.
A few days later, Karen felt very sick.
Oh, I don't feel so good. Oh, I need to see a doctor. Doctor!
Yes, what is it?
Oh, my doctor. I, had random sex with this guy at a party, and today I was all throwing up. What the hell is wrong with me?
We'll have to run some tests, but it seems like you're pregnant.
What?
You awful shiz up the spout.
Oh my god, how can I be pregnant?
You just said you had sex with her.
I know what I said. Doctor, what should I do?
Well, for one thing, no more parties for you. No more drinking, no more drugs, no more anything bad for you, unless you want a healthy baby.
Oh my god, that sounds so hard, but okay, I'll do it.
3 months later.
Oh my god, it so sucks being pregnant. I wish I could go out with my friends. Ring, 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 ring. Oh my god, that's totally my cell phone. Hello?
Hi, Karen. It's Stacy.
Oh my god, hi, Stacy.
So what have you been doing? Why aren't you hitting the club scene with us anymore?
I'm totally preggers now.
Oh my god, that sucks. You want to come out drinking and do drugs with me anyways? Let me think about that. Yes, let's do it!
Oh my god, Stacy, we're having so much fun.
Oh my god, I know. You should drink that beer right there.
Oh my god, let's do it. Oh my god, it's so good. This party is awesome.
6 or possibly 7 months later.
Oh my god, I wonder where my baby is. They should be bringing it to me soon. But
Here comes your baby, Karen.
oh my god, my baby!
WTF is that? This is your baby, Karen.
No, it can't be. What happened to you?
And so you see, kids, Karen learned her lesson, although much too late. If only she knew that fetal alcohol syndrome caused small heads, low birth weight, physical abnormalities, as well as mental retardation, her baby might have turned out well and not have wound up looking like this.
Our friend Karen. Let's go see what she's up to right now. Oh my god, look how much fun I am! This party is so amazing! Hey baby, what's up? Oh my god, who are you? My name's Scott. Oh my god, did your hair just fall off? It's okay. Oh, I don't feel so good. Oh, I need to see a doctor. God, it's so... I hate you.